2, 1, ignition. Yes, it beeps!
A charging station that charges your electric Renault ZOE when needed and delivers energy back to the electricity grid when possible. This is the idea behind the bidirectional charging system, which was officially put into use by His Majesty King Willem-Alexander of the Netherlands.
With this technology, the car becomes a battery on wheels. We can use the car battery as storage for solar energy, which is growing rapidly in the Netherlands, but also in other countries. And now you can basically use the car battery to store this energy for the moments that there is no sun available.
Using this system, the underground power grid is less likely to deal with peak loads, which is a major advantage. It's a revolutionary approach that can be followed globally.
Yes, if we do it right in Utrecht, it can be used everywhere. What we try to find out here is what language a car has to speak with the grid. We have French cars, we have Japanese cars, we have German cars. They all have to speak through a charging pole with the Dutch grid. You need one language. In this case, the language is 15.11.8. If we can do it in Utrecht, we can do it everywhere.
In 2016, a declaration of intent was signed in Paris between, among others, We Drive Solar and Renault. Because the car manufacturer sees a future in this ecosystem, Renault made ZOE suitable for bidirectional charging.
And this new solution to have the bidirectional charging will make the link between more renewable energy and also an affordable solution with much more mass market electrical vehicle on the market. So it's very important for us, and it's the first day for the very nice futures that we will see in the next years.
And collaboration is essential?
And collaboration is essential because we cannot be the best for everything. So we need to collaborate with the best people to really create a state-of-the-art solutions.
The city of Utrecht is the first city in the world to work on a large-scale network of shared cars that can charge and discharge energy at a charging station.
We Drive Solar is an excellent contribution to our aims of a healthy city.
In the coming years, we will roll out hundreds of shared vehicles in the We Drive Solar program. And those cars will not only provide the battery backup for solar energy, but they will also provide smarter mobility and cheap and affordable for people that want to drive electric.